Hi everybody. People have been designing and building great woodworking inventions and machines for years. These woodworking tools have made things a lot easier. It is now very easy to process even large logs. You should also see these machines when shaping wood. We talk about incredible woodworking machines for you in the video. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Portable sawmill. With this portable sawmill, you can turn a large log into timber by yourself. We can say that it is a really useful and practical machine. Log debarker. This machine can peel the bark of a log in seconds. Log splitter. This machine is an 80-ton log splitter. It can split the log into 24 pieces at once. It also has a hydraulic loader. Wedge cutting machine. This machine is used for cutting wedges and can cut in equal parts. Pretty fast and practical. Portable cup cutter. This portable cup cutter with holder is essential in the process of building a house out of logs. It can cut quickly, accurately, and safely. Peeling and planing apparatus. This apparatus may seem simple to you, but it is quite effective and useful. You can quickly peel a log with it. Wood chip manufacturing machine. Grinder for the production of high-quality chips, suitable for processing large quantities of material. It is possible to grind any woody material, such as trunks, branches, green prunings, as well as particularly hard wood. Wood turning and decorating. You won't believe this decoration video by Robert Sorby. As a result of the process he made with wood, a perfect work of art emerges. Pellet maker machine. This machine produces pellets from wood and sawdust. Pellet production as fuel. Pellet production test from leaves, branches, and soil collected from the garden. This produced pellet fuel is environmentally friendly. The pellets are then checked in a pellet furnace.